Alright, wala nang atrasan ito mga idol. Nakapag-register na tayo and nakuha natin ang ating riding kit. So may kasama yung dalawang passport, dalawang t-shirts and stickers. So ayan, dinikit natin ating stickers sa ating motor na gagamitin, si Sake. O, di ba? Ayos. So ngayon, planning session na tayo. Ano yung mga leg na titirahin natin?
Nasa final planning session ng ating gagawin Philippine Loop this 2025.
In total, we have 14 checkpoints to finish yung Philippine Loop. 8 yung land base and 6 yung dadaan natin by ferry. Looking at the map, 2 major legs lang. Isang south leg and isang north leg ang meron tayo for the Philippine Loop. Kung babalikan natin yung checkpoint list, parang walang sense. So mahirap estimate kung paano gagawin. So ginawa natin, chinap-chap natin into several mini leg or subcategory leg. Alright, so ito yung ating subcategory leg na gagawin base sa ating strategy. So unahin natin yung Mindoro Loop, leg 1. South Luzon, Batangas, Mindoro Loop, around 520 kilometers yan. Followed by the South Luzon, Bicol region, around 520 kilometers. So from home base to Matnog area, pero source ng ating overnight. And then yung ating leg 3, Bicol to Southern Leyte. So Matnog, tatawid tayo to Allenport, babaybay natin ng Samar, okay, and then to Tacloban and Leyte area. Yung ating leg 4, Southern Leyte to Davao, so that's around 610 kilometers. And then from Davao, diretso tayo ng General Santos City, yun yung ating leg 5. And then leg 6, Zamboanga to Katiklan. So doon sa Zamboanga to Katiklan, dadaan natin dyan ang Zamboanga del Norte, Port of Dumaguete, Bacolod, Negros Occidental, and then Iloilo. So, and then yung last leg natin dito sa Visayas, Mindanao is leg 7, Katiklan to home base. So magpe-pair na tayo nun from Katiklan area to Batangas. Okay. So after that, siyempre relax tayo na unti, pahinga. Then saka naman natin titirahin yung panghuli. Leg 8, yun yung Luzon Loop. So around 2,000 kilometers yan. Subic, second highest point or the highest point, yun ang pupuntahan natin. Pangasinan, Lawag, Apari, and then lastly, Baler Aurora. And then back to home base tayo. So all in all mga brother, ang ating total estimated kilometers would be around 5,631. So ito yung ating north leg, total kilometers 2,000, and ang ating south leg, total kilometers about 3,631. So ayan, abangan nyo ang aming journey for this Philippine Loop Adventure Tour. Alright, kita-kits sa daan mga idol. Ride safe sa lahat.